Which transformation of the equation 2x squared minus 32x plus 9 equals 0 leads to solving the equation using the completing the square method? Well, so we can understand the process in completing the square, we're going to start by completing the square of the given equation. We have 2x squared minus 32x plus 9 equals 0. The first step in completing the square is to isolate your variable terms. So we're going to subtract 9 from both sides of our equation. From this we get 2x squared minus 32x equals negative 9. Since our x squared coefficient is not 1, we need to factor out the 2. So that gives us 2 times x squared minus 16x is equal to negative 9. Next, we need to complete the square. We take our x coefficient of negative 16, divide it by 2 to get negative 8, and then take negative 8 and square it to get 64. So now we have 2 times x squared minus 16x plus 64 is equal to, now on this side we added not just 64, but 2 times 64. So we need to add 2 times 64 to the other side of the equation. Simplifying the right-hand side, we get 2 times x squared minus 16x plus 64 is equal to 119. Now rewriting our expression as a perfect square, we get 2 times x minus 8 squared is equal to 119. Now that we understand the process, let's take a look at our answer choices. Answer choice A says 2x squared minus 32x equals 9. If we take a look at our second step here, we have 2x squared minus 32x equals negative 9. So that should be a negative 9. A is incorrect. Answer choice B, 2x squared minus 32x plus 16 squared equals negative 9 plus 16 squared. Well, notice here that when they completed the square, they used negative 32 as the coefficient because they forgot to factor out the 2. So answer choice B is incorrect. Answer choice C, we have 2 times a quantity of x squared minus 16x plus 64 and quantity equals 119. And based on our work, we agree that this is a correct step. Still taking a look at answer choice D, we have 2 times x minus 8 quantity squared is equal to negative 9. Looking at our work, we know that that should be a 119 and not a negative 9, so D is incorrect. So the correct transformation for completing the square is C.